Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to crochet a granny square blanket. You can find a free written pattern on my blog in 3 different sizes. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this tutorial you will need Lion Brand basic stitch and crochet hook size 6mm. You will need the color green for the inside, which represents the stem. And you'll need some bright colors for the tulips. I decided to go with 3 colors, but you can use less colors or even more if you like. And you will need a color for the last 2 rounds. And personally this is my favorite color. But basic stitch is available in many beautiful colors that you can use as well. So let's start! Start with color green and make a magic ring. We will chain 4, which counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. Then we work a double crochet in the ring. Now we will chain 1 and work a double crochet in the ring. And we will repeat this 10 more times. So we chain 1 and work a double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet. Repeat this until you have a total of 12 chain spaces. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I now have 10 chain spaces. So I need to make one more. 11. And then I will chain 1 and work a slip stitch in a 3rd chain. And then I will work a slip stitch in the next chain space. Then pull tight to close the center ring, and now you have 12 chain spaces. I advise to make the slip stitch with the new color. Now we will work a puff stitch in each chain space, and to save myself some time from weaving in ends, I will crochet with and over the loose ends. Yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops, yarn over, chain 1 to secure the stitch. Then chain 1 and work a puff stitch in the next chain space. and a chain 1. So this is what we will repeat to the end of the round. A puff stitch in each chain space and a chain 1. And as you can see, now I don't have an end to weave in here, and I can just cut off the yarn over here. I'm at the last chain space and I will work a puff stitch. And we will chain 1 and work a slip stitch in the first puff stitch. And we will slip stitch in the next chain space. And what I usually do is start somewhere else so you won't see a seam. So grab the next color and chain 6, where the first 4 chains count as your first treble crochet, and a chain 2. 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a treble crochet and a chain 2. And then we work 2 treble crochet in the same chain space. That's my first. Then another one. And again, to save me some time, I'm gonna work double stranded to weave in the ends. Now we will work 3 double crochet in the next 2 chain spaces. 1, 2, and 3. Now I can cut off this piece of yarn and there won't be an end to weave in. Now we move to the next chain space and we work 3 double crochet. Now we work 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet in the next chain space. Chain 2 and 2 treble crochet. And as you can see, this will create a corner. And what we will do now is we work 3 double crochet in the next 2 chain spaces and a corner, which is 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet in the next. Then again 3 double crochet in the next 2, a corner, and 3 double crochet in the next 2. I'm working on my last double crochet. So now I have 3 double crochet in the last 2 chain spaces, and then we work a treble crochet in the first chain space, and then we work a slip stitch in the 4th chain and a slip stitch in the chain space. In the last round we will chain 4, which counts as a double crochet and a chain 1, and we work 2 double crochet in the corner. Then we work a double crochet in each stitch across. In the corners we will work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. And this is what we will do until the end of the round. So we work a double crochet in each stitch, and in the corners we work 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. I'm at the end and I will work a double crochet in the last stitch. And then I'll work a double crochet in the first chain space. Then work a slip stitch in the third chain and a slip stitch in the chain space. And that's it. Now go ahead and work as many squares as you need for the size of your blanket, and I will see you when you're done. So once you're done with all the squares, it's time to join them together. I will now show you how to do it. Make sure that the good sides are facing each other, so the wrong sides are facing outwards. Then make a slip knot. And work a slip stitch in the chain in the front loop facing you and the back loop of the other square. And in the next chain we insert the hook in the front loop and in the back loop. And then in the next double crochet we insert the hook in the front loop and in the back loop. Now repeat this all the way to the end. We will end with a slip stitch in the last 2 chains. And you fasten off and weave in all the ends. For the border we will make a slip knot and we will attach yarn in the right top corner in this chain in the back loop only. Then we chain 3 and work a slip stitch in the first chain. Then we work a single crochet in the next 2 stitches in the back loop only. 1, 2. And what I'm going to do now is what we will repeat all the way around the blanket. So we work a single crochet in the next stitch in the back loop only. We chain 3 and we work a slip stitch in the first chain. Then we work a single crochet in the next 2 stitches in the back loop only. So I'm at the corner and we will work a single crochet in the back loop only in the first chain. Then we work a picot. And then we will work 2 single crochet in the seam. 1 and 2. And then we will work a picot in this corner by working in the back loop only of the first chain. And we will continue working a single crochet in the next 2 stitches and a picot in the next. Now you will repeat this all the way around the blanket. I highly recommend blocking your blanket, because this way the squares will look much better. So basically what you do is you pin your blanket in the correct shape. And then you either spray it wet with water and let it dry, or you can use a steamer. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!